Hello, welcome to today's forecast. Wanted to leave it a little bit later to see if we can get any price action that I could work with. Still got my bearish bias on dollar Swiss, been holding it for since last week. Once we broke this level, we also added at this level, but I also want to point out that this level is a line in the sand, as I mentioned yesterday. Broke above it, snapped straight back in, and struggling to break above it again. So this is just lining up with Monday's high. So no matter what way this goes, also want to point out that the target from the previous week was expecting a bounce from here, as always from Monday's levels, and we're just waiting to see if this confirms, if this structure is going to be a pullback or is it just going to be a change in direction, basically. So what I'm looking for is if we break back below Monday's low and shorts back on again, then we need to break below this level to continue down to these levels down here. This is a H1 chart, by the way. So yeah, bias still bearish. We've still got this push. This could be a correction before the push down again. So no matter what happens, just looking for the bearish side on this, and willing to wait to next week as well. So this just looks like a consolidation today, so not much I could work off with that. So it's just about being patient and waiting. Pound yen has been a little bit messy as well this week. If we go to the H1 chart, let me get a little. So you can see why I've pointed out this level. Said yesterday if we get a break below, be selling, which it did. Cut off once we broke back inside again, and now I'm selling again. So just doing what price actions telling me, but this looks like it could just grind this level, but still bearish. This for a pullback, aiming for around these lows, but I'll keep it open to Friday close, even if we do not get down to here. So wondering if price is just going to go like this before a fall. Either way, very hard to predict, but looking for selling opportunities on pound yen. So any patterns that I see that I could be willing to step in to sell, that's what I'm going to do. Higher time frame levels, it's basic support and resistance. We've come up into that area, so just looking for a little bit of a pullback, not looking for a full change in direction. What would negate this is if we start closing above this level on the daily. So overall, pound yen bias is bearish and looking for selling opportunities. On the lower time frames, I just have this little structure, so looking for a breakdown from that to really confirm selling opportunities. But as I already said, I'm short from Monday's low. Stop be Monday's high. Even here should be safe enough. So we'll see how we go with that. The other thing I was looking at was pound Swiss. Watching the structure pullback, seem to have broken structure. This is the H1 time frame. Still waiting for Monday's low to go. We've just been going sideways, so basically that's what I'm looking for. So not much has changed there. I was waiting for a little bit more price action this morning to see if anything would give way, but alas, nothing has really stepped up. When you get weeks like this, you've got to be patient. I'll go out and show you the higher time frame level that I'm looking at. If I can get rid of these. So basically you can see the support in here, support down here, and this area is where support should turn to resistance. It can come up a little bit. This is just, I work with sort of support and resistance areas, not one specific price, so I get a general bias from these areas and then look for my patterns to set up for the sell opportunities. So looking for a little bit of a pullback on that at least. Could be one for next week if we don't get it. So let's just see what happens with pound Swiss. Got the area. Can we just go deeper into it? Of course we can. Nothing is off the table, but like I say, what would really interest me if we get below this level here. Something like that. And yeah, that's all really that I've been looking at this week, keeping it sort of simple. Any questions, let me know, and I can see if I can help you out. But have a good day, and have a good rest of the week.